So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Big Data Computing Week 4 Assignment 4. So the first question is, what does the soft state in base mean? So these are the option, and the answer of our first question is B. State can change over time even without new input. Now the second question is, which CAP property is most likely reduced when a system uses asynchronous replication? So these are the option, and the answer of our second question is B, consistency. Now the third question is, which of the following system is an example of CP under CAP theorem? So these are the option, and the answer of our third question is C, H base. Now the fourth question is, what does base in distributed database stand for? So these are the option, and the answer of our fourth question is A, basically available soft state, eventually consistency. Now the fifth question is, a stock trading platform must ensure that once a transaction is confirmed, all users see the same updated balance immediately, even if delays responses during network issues. Which CAP property is being prioritized? So these are the option, and the answer of our fifth question is B, consistency. Now the sixth question is, how does CAP theorem impact the design of distributed systems? So these are the option, and the answer of our sixth question is B, it required trade-off between consistency, availability, and partitioning tolerance. Now, the seventh question is, if a distributed system must always be available, which property will it have to sacrifice during partition? So these are the option, and the answer of our seventh question is A, consistency. Now, the eighth question is, if a distributed system chosen consistency and partition tolerance according to the CAP theorem, what may it sacrifice? So these are the option, and the answer of our eighth question is B, availability. Now the ninth question is, which CAP theorem property ensured the system continues to operate even if some nodes cannot communicate? So these are the option, and the answer of our ninth question is B, partition tolerance. Now the 10th question is, why is it impossible to achieve all three CAP properties simultaneously in a distributed system? So these are the option, and the answer of our 10th question is C, because network partitions are inevitable in distributed system. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.